Hello smart people, welcome to Blue Planet. In this video we are going to discuss about Antarctica. Antarctica is the southernmost continent on Earth, situated around the South Pole. It is the fifth largest continent and is nearly twice the size of Australia. The continent is mostly covered by ice, with an average thickness of around 2.1 kilometers. The ice contains approximately 90% of the world's freshwater, and if it were to melt, it would cause a global sea level rise of around 60 meters. Antarctica is home to a unique ecosystem, including penguins, seals, and a variety of other wildlife that is adapted to the harsh conditions of the continent. The continent is governed by the Antarctic Treaty System, which sets aside Antarctica as a scientific preserve and bans military activity and mineral exploration. Because of its extreme climate and isolated location, Antarctica is one of the least explored and least populated places on Earth. Only a few thousand people live on the continent year-round, mostly in research stations operated by various countries for scientific purposes. Antarctica has numerous glaciers, many of which are of great scientific interest because of their potential impacts on sea level rise. Let's discuss about some of the most well-known and studied glaciers in Antarctica. Thwaites Glacier. This glacier, also known as the Doomsday Glacier, is of particular concern, due to its potential to significantly contribute to global sea level rise, if it were to collapse entirely. The nickname Doomsday Glacier reflects the seriousness of the potential consequences of Thwaites Glacier collapse. Some estimates suggest that the collapse of Thwaites Glacier could lead to a global sea level rise of up to 2.4 meters, 7.9 feet. This could have significant impacts on coastal communities around the world. Scientists are actively studying the Thwaites Glacier to better understand its behavior and the factors that could contribute to its collapse. This research is critical for informing decisions about how to mitigate the potential impacts of the glacier's collapse and adapt to the changing conditions it could bring. Another glacier is Pine Island Glacier. This glacier is also located in West Antarctica and is one of the fastest retreating glaciers on the continent. It is currently responsible for about a quarter of the ice loss from West Antarctica. Totten Glacier. This glacier is located in East Antarctica and is one of the largest glaciers in the world. Scientists are closely monitoring the Totten Glacier due to concerns about its stability and potential contribution to sea level rise. Larsen Sea Ice Shelf. While technically not a glacier, it is a massive floating ice shelf that broke off from the Larsen Ice Shelf in 2017. The event was one of the largest iceberg calving events ever recorded and raised concerns about the stability of other ice shelves in Antarctica. Scientists are actively studying these and other glaciers in Antarctica to better understand their behavior and the factors that could contribute to their retreat and collapse. This research is critical for informing decisions about how to mitigate the potential impacts of sea level rise and adapt to changing conditions. Antarctica is known for its extreme environment and harsh conditions, but there are still some life forms that are able to survive and thrive there. Most of the life in Antarctica is found in the surrounding ocean and invertebrates, but there are also some larger animals that live on the continent. Antarctica is home to several species of penguins, including the emperor penguin, which is the largest of all penguins. Penguins have adapted to the extreme conditions of Antarctica by developing thick layers of feathers and fat to keep warm, and by huddling together in large groups to conserve heat. Several species of seals, including the Weddell seal and the leopard seal, live in the waters around Antarctica. Like penguins, seals have adapted to the extreme cold by developing thick layers of blubber. Overall, the biodiversity in Antarctica is relatively low compared to other parts of the world, but the animals and plants that do live there have adapted to the extreme conditions in remarkable ways. Please share your thoughts on the topic and tell us what topic would you like to hear from us next. And if you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.